I just ordered from Ripstop by the Roll their brand new double-ended stuff set kit with the new outdoor ink. So here is sampler number 1 pack. You can see this dragon scale, and I'm zooming in so you can see it. And next we have the branch camo, not in purple. I really wish all of these would have been purple. So putting the duck camo in here, I would have preferred, or maybe the paisley. I mean, this is really cool. I do like the branch camo, but everything kind of had the purple theme here. I don't know what one this is called. Diamonds? I'm sure it's got like a technical name for the design. I'm just not that good at knowing. This is plaid. That I know. I really like the plaid. This might end up being my own hammock stuff sack kit right here. This is a cool design. It's not purple, and it's not the Starry Night. This is only available on the sampler 1. I think this is going to end up being for my friend. And then the Geocam Tundra. I do like it. So I'm zooming in so you get a real good sense. It's a 3x5 sheet. It has all 6 prints on it. It's that really lightweight 1.6 ounce polyester ripstop. And you do get mini cord locks and the mini cord in black, everything to make it. Oh, here we go. So this is my hammock material. This is a deep purple, and I wanted, in case you're like me and you like the purples here, I wanted you to see what each color looks like against the actual deep purple. I think that they're really good, and you can actually ask for a sample of the deep purple too. To me, this makes it look almost blackish. Not very purple, but that's all right by me. So order if you haven't.